Just Bowl is the Bowls Development Alliance community engagement programme. It's aimed to take the sport of bowls into care homes, hospitals, rehabilitation centres, educational establishments and just about anywhere else. And the idea is to establish what sort of impact Just Bowl has on physical activity levels and mental well-being. Just Bowl benefits residents in two different areas. One is physical activity level, so it actually gets them more active. And for the residents that are not so active, it also can improve mobility as well. We found that from a social perspective, people are really benefiting. We've heard about cases where residents are leaving their rooms for the first time. There's a lot of emphasis at the moment on the loneliness campaign, and we're finding that it's having a lot of benefits in that area as well. The partnership with brighterkind was established through one of your staff members who actually used to work for the Bowls Development Alliance. So that's where the initial partnership came about. Bowling, I think it's a type of sport that you can go at your own level, so everyone can find the level that they're happy with. For the residents as well, it's the type of sport that it can get them active, but without raising the heart rate too much. So it also can improve mobility, and we've also found that a lot of people in care homes have actually played bowls in the past and can no longer hold the words. So this is a good alternative. It enables them to carry on playing whilst also socialising as well.